One of my favorite ways to show somebody that I care and or love them is by making them some homemade food. And today I am making my grandparents some jalapeno cheddar artisan bread. I was really blessed with the most amazing grandparents, and they've always been so supportive of me. That's why I do these things so often, because they're just amazing. And since they are a fan of the breads that I make, I decided to turn this into a sub type of sandwich because they always get a loaf, and I wanted them to have something each personal for the both of them. Even though they're married and they share just about everything, I like to offer couples gifts of togetherness, but still in an individualistic manner. I'm not sure why I do that, but I just do it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I was not liking how the loaf was turning out throughout the video, even the finished appearance. However, I knew that it had so much flavor, it'll be able to counteract the appearance. Not saying they would complain about it. Normally it looks like this, and sometimes it looks like this. What was meant for one ended up being shared with others. We broke bread and enjoyed each other's company. I am Kay Brittani, and thanks for watching KaySoPlantBased.